G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Tex Greycloud, and this is Bellevue. Now Bellevue is 19.6 kilometres just east of Perth, which is about 25 minutes. Behind me is the Railway Reserve Heritage Trail. Now this Heritage Trail runs through Bellevue, Greenmount, Darlington, Glen Forest, Mahogany Creek, Mundaring, Sawyers Valley, Mount Helena, Chidlow, Kachina and Warraloo. Goes for about 39.5 kilometres. For those of you who are interested in hiking this trail. Now behind me is the Bellevue OSL Club, just as a point of reference. So I'm just going to turn you around so you can see what I'm seeing. And there is history on it. Now with this weather heating up, if you are going to do this trail, make sure you do take plenty of water. Very important. I used to ride this trail quite a while ago, but I prefer hiking. More easier for me, of course. And I do enjoy the scenery. Take it in more slowly, of course. But until next time, see you then.